See my buddy? He worked for me. I don't work for him. I'm a black radical Republican. I joined the Republican Party to make white people address racism. And we're going to do it through the courts. Good morning, Baltimore. Good morning, social media. This is not my friend. He has a job to do. Do your job or lose your job. We're going to address racism in 2020. You want to make America great again? Well, we got to address America's hate again. And he hate America, my opinion. We're going to do it through the courts. All right? We're going to do it through the courts. That's the Court of Appeals. I'm getting ready to call him right now. And they open.
Good morning, Court of Appeals.
Yes, good morning. My name is Dwayne G. Davis. Hello, can you hear me? My name is Dwayne Gerald Davis Sr. I mailed off a whistleblower's application to Chief Judge Mary E. Barbera. And it was, the mail receipt number is 7019 0700001 88066416. I need to know the status if you received it or not, because I'm a whistleblower in the courts, and it's self-explanatory. And yes, I mailed it October the 19th. Well, yeah, that's what it says. It was delivered to 3361 Roe Boulevard, Annapolis, Maryland. I need to know if she received it. Plus, I asked for whistleblowers protections from the courts. I asked for the Department of Justice, and Delegate Sheila Roof has part 2 of the application. I went through my delegate, and I went to the courts. Dwayne Gerald Davis Sr. It's about voter suppression in the Democratic Party in the 2010 elections. Davis. I understand. It's a great big envelope. It's like 2 by 18 inches by 3 feet. It's a storyboard, and it breaks down. It has mail receipts on it, and Sheila Roof has the second half of it, so you can put them together. Uh, it has everything on it. You'll know it when you see it. My number is 443 831 1188. Thank you. It's the power of the phone. Feel me? I didn't record her. I recorded me, so I didn't break no law. Sheila Roof got part 2. All right. And I was making a movie about y'all. That's my producer. And that's the toilet. It was evidence. I'm getting ready to approach the Supreme Court on 3 different cases. So I'm going to have Kirk Smoke, president of the University of Baltimore Law School, represent me. I am Dred Scott. Now, these are my witnesses. Vanessa Attenberry got this. She has everything that Sheila Roof got. No, some of the things that Sheila Roof got, Vanessa Attenberry has. She got that on the opening day of session. Johnny Oleski is a witness. Mr. Bazemore is a witness. He's from the Kamenetz administration and Oleski administration. Antonio Hayes is a witness. Leon Pinkett is a witness. And that's the Attorney General's office. See that? That's the Attorney General's office. That's the Controller's office. I'm asking for an audit. That's Brian Frosh, the Attorney General. That's Governor Hogan. Received. That's the Real News and Jane Miller. I don't want to leave nobody out the conversation because President Trump got this too. He got this last year, and President Trump got this last year. He already got all this. So if he wanted to break up this criminal enterprise, if he wanted to address this racism and corruption in Baltimore, he did something about it. You got it. So everything that Sheila Roof has, right there. I was making a movie about y'all and everything that I got, that I was doing. Go to Yvonne Brooks from the Inspector General's office. All right. Go to Mary Washington. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party and the money y'all make off black bodies. And I just took your card because I'm going to pull your card. Y'all can't say that you don't know. You can't say that you ain't got it because all I got to do is go to your emails to get it. It's called entrapment. I just entrapped you into telling the truth. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Or is y'all going to protect white supremacy and white privilege with your black bodies and your black positions of power? That's Pat Young. Either you're going to be a witness or a defendant. You can decide what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? It's about the Stop Snitching video. I'm going to see who's going to snitch on who. I'm going to ask you to produce the evidence that I gave you. And we're going to produce everything that I gave the Baltimore Police Monitoring Team. Because, see, Baltimore City's under the consent decree. Baltimore County ain't. So everything I've been doing for the last 13 years, I'm going to use against Baltimore County. Scott Shellenberger is your weakest link. Scott Shellenberger, just like him right here. That's what Scott Shellenberger is. A white supremacist. A racist. So if I get Scott Shellenberger, he going to snitch on the rest of y'all. He going to snitch on you, because if you don't snitch on him, he going to snitch on you. I'm going to show you black faces using their positions of power to protect white supremacy in Baltimore County. Yeah. I'm going to pull your card. I came to your office and I gave you the information and I told y'all this. It's called checks and balances. No part of the government is stronger than the other part. If they had a whistleblower on him, that means I can get a whistleblower on Governor O'Malley. And you got to respect that process because you're my representatives. So I'm just going to pull your card. City, county, state, and federal levels. City, county, state, and federal levels. Are we clear on this? I don't want nobody left out the loop because, like I said, I was making a movie about you. And there ain't no law against making a movie. Your father destroyed evidence on February the 7th, 2011. Your father participated in fraud in the court and the clerk in the court. Johns Hopkins University, Government Affairs, and Fox 45. Because the movie I made, one of the movies I was making was about Fox 45. It's called Portraits of a Letter. Shows you how you demonize black people. And you used to come to my store. You feel me? Bam. Delegate Clippinger, I came and gave you an interview. I'm a whistleblower, and you turned it down. You want to protect the Democratic Party because y'all get a lot of money off of black bodies in the prison industry. You don't care about the violence. You care about the money that you generate off of the violence. Bam. City of Baltimore, Office of Civil Rights. Y'all done had this since 2000, whatever. Bam. That's GOP Carter. She done had this since 2008, 2009. So Delegate Sheila Roof. That's called checks and balances. All right. Judicial, executive, and legislative branches of the government. This is the executive. Sheila Roof is the legislative. And Judge Mary Barbera is the judicial. And no part of the government is stronger than the other. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Because all I did is gave you a social scientific experiment. To be the best, you got to beat the best. And y'all ain't beat me yet. I'm the champ. The king is here. You feel me? It's a movie about a toilet.